Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Ecom Street. We're very excited to be making this video for you guys. Basically, we put a post up on Instagram asking for some questions you may have had about e-commerce, dropshipping, Facebook ads, etc. And we're gonna do exactly that and answer those questions that you guys had on our Instagram. So we're gonna be going over literally everything in the DMs. Let's get this going.
Alright guys, welcome back into this video. If this is your first time here, welcome to Ecom Street. Be sure to subscribe. If you're back for more, this is not your first video, welcome back to the channel guys. Number one coming in here, again, if you're not the person that asked this question, still feel free to watch this whole video as the questions they may have asked might answer a question that you already have for you, right? So it's gonna help you out, so stay tuned for all that. Here we go, number one. Somebody asked us, I've saved up around $1,000 to give dropshipping a try. Again, tried it once in the past. Is that good enough? And guys, to answer that question right off the bat, it absolutely is. If you are generating free traffic and if you are actually, working your butt off to make this work, it's definitely gonna work out for you. $1,000, I would say, is maybe double more than enough. I think the lowest that you should start with is maybe $500. So $1,000 is by far good enough. And the main reason I believe in this is because a domain costs maybe $10, maybe $20 max. The Shopify plan costs $30 US a month. So combined right there, let's call that $50 out of your $1,000. That basically leaves you with about $950 for testing products, running ads. Like all that money is basically going towards ads. Don't buy Instagram followers or any of that stupid stuff. Use that money for what matters the most, marketing. Of course, there might be a couple more apps that cost you some money, like an order tracking app, and maybe even having the currency converter app. Those are super essential. We addressed those before. But to start off, yeah guys, having $900 left over for ads is more than enough. It should allow you to test at least maybe three to five products, if not more, depending on your ad strategy. So to answer that question, absolutely yes, give this a try again. The person that asked has some experience before, so that's even great. He kind of knows what he's doing. Run those ads and you'll see some great success.
Now for the second question that came up in our inbox was, what is your opinion on getting a mentor as someone just started getting into e-commerce? Now, I think that's a great question, guys, okay? Now, mentors are great to have for e-commerce or for anything really, for life experience, just because they know a lot about what they're doing and you can always relate or kind of learn from their experiences. They're there to guide you and not only tell you what's right, to also guide you from the wrong path. So for example, when I first started doing e-commerce, I had my mentor and he was able to teach me a lot of the things that I didn't know when I first started out, right? I was doing things I didn't even know was wrong at first. He kind of guided me down that path, that kind of the right path, to get rid of all those problems and kind of avoid all that stress so I could finally become successful in this business. So getting a mentor, is it really necessary? It can be for some people. If you think you can go online and maybe just look up everything there is to e-commerce dropshipping, go right ahead. There's lots of free content on there, especially our channel. We do have a lot of great valuable videos for you guys. So 100%, you can learn all this on your own. Will you learn all the golden nuggets? Absolutely not. People aren't just gonna release their best ideas to people online. That's just how it is sometimes. But obviously people are gonna do their best to entertain their audience and give them the most valuable information like we do. Then there are other people that do want a mentor for the sake of just kind of starting out and they want some kind of ease on when they start. So getting a mentor, you can do it, or not get a mentor, totally fine. It's all just depend on what you guys want to do at the end of the day.
Coming in at number 3, somebody asked us, do you have a shoplift course? I'm pretty sure he meant Shopify, hopefully he did. And to answer that question, 100% yes, we do. We are currently in the process of actually editing our entire course. So this course is somewhere towards an hour long. We're gonna be uploading it on YouTube for absolutely free for all you guys to watch, take notes, rewatch over and over again. It goes through everything. So it goes try to actually choose a name for your store, choose products, actually get to those ads. It doesn't go too much in depth on how we actually run the ads, but of course just set them up, how to get your whole business manager started. I think it's gonna bring a lot of value to you guys. Again, it's gonna take a little while for us to edit it. We're trying our best. There is a lot of cuts, animations. We're trying to make it as clear and just easy as possible to follow. And so that requires editing, right? It takes some time. We're also super busy with our own stores, so that's take a toll. But it will be coming out 100% this month. So stay tuned for that course. Yo, your hair.
What?
There's hair in your head.
Coming in number 4 is where to learn Facebook ads correctly. Now, there's no right or wrong answer to this, guys. You can learn Facebook ads from anywhere. It just depends on the approach that you're taking it. So for example, running a dropshipping store, you're gonna be running completely different ads than someone running a marketing agency for someone as a physical business, a brick and mortar business. There's no proper source or proper place to learn them. Obviously, us on Ecom Street, we try to provide as much value with our Facebook ads videos. There's no proper way to learn Facebook ads. Like, yes, there's the ins and outs. Yes, you can do things wrong. Yes, you could be playing with stuff that's not supposed to be on with your Facebook account. But at the end of the day, guys, it's all catered to what you're running specifically, what kind of products you guys are doing, what kind of stores you guys are running. You gotta just make sure that everything is set for yourself.
All right, guys, one of the last questions here that we actually want to share with you. Somebody asked us, should they be worried about the CBO update? And to answer that question, in particular, I wouldn't be too worried about it. Facebook did claim that they're making it mandatory on, I believe, the 27th or 29th of February. And as of right now, the majority of my ad accounts can still run non-CBO ad sets and everything A-okay. So I wouldn't worry too much about that. There's also a rumor going around that, you know, if you're running CBOs, you're gonna get better results from Facebook because they want the people that aren't using CBOs to come over and try them out. I don't know if that's true. I think it's kind of BS. I feel like if you have a winner, you can scale it however you want to. I definitely wouldn't disregard it completely. Maybe try factoring in some CBOs for just like a small retargeting campaign or a new interest campaign or whatnot. You know, keep it fresh. You should be good from there.
All right, guys. And the final question for the day, the drum roll. Get the drum roll going. Oh, wait. Yeah, wait, hold on. If you want to see, how can I get a girlfriend? Now, actually, in this post here that we put on our story was ask us anything. So you guys could have asked us like literally anything, and we could have literally answered. So the question: how can I get a girlfriend? Tinder. Proper, sharp as a tack, enthusiastic,
If you're old enough.
and sweet. You gotta look really nice, really presentable, and yeah, that's all the advice I could give you guys. All right, guys, so that brings it for this video. We hope you enjoyed the content. As you can see, everything in this video is much better quality. We got our studio lights going on here. We got the better camera, the better audio. Everything is just production here on Ecom Street now. It's literally like a movie. It's literally like everything is just like 10 times better. So we want to say thank you to everyone, literally, not just to the people who have been supporting us from the beginning, but also to the people that have been supporting us recently. You guys are the reason why we make these videos, and we're literally thriving and doing our best to provide you guys as much content and much valuable information as we can here on our channel. So without you guys, we wouldn't be here, and we just want to give you a sincere thanks to our whole audience, and we know that we're only going to be growing from here for sure, 100%. At the end of the day, guys, all we ask for are referrals because that's how we truly grow. Stay tuned.